Sit comfortably, keeping your spine tall and your shoulders relaxed. Rest your hands gently on your lap. Close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in. Feel the air filling your lungs. And exhale, releasing any tension. Now, bring your awareness to your throat, the center of truth and self-expression. Your Vishuddha Chakra. Breathe into this space. Feel your breath clearing and opening your voice. When this chakra is blocked, you may feel unheard or struggle to express yourself. When balanced, your words flow with confidence, honesty, and clarity. Now, visualize a soft blue light at your throat, pure and clear like the sky. With every inhale, this light expands. With every exhale, it dissolves doubt and fear. Feel the energy of truth and clarity filling your throat, opening your voice to speak with confidence and kindness. Silently affirm, I express myself freely and honestly. My voice is clear and strong. I speak my truth with love. Let these words settle within you. Take another deep breath in, and as you exhale, feel your throat open and free, clear, confident, expressive. Stay here for a moment, embracing your authentic voice. When you are ready, gently bring your awareness back to the present. Now, you may open your eyes. You are heard. You are understood. You are free. Om Shanti.